Hello,
Hi.
what's your name and what do you do?
Yes, so my name is Appachu Kodira, and I work for a cell culture media manufacturing company based in Korea and China.
Lovely. So, what's your motivation to be here today?
Yeah, so our company is a supplier to a burgeoning nascent industry called cultivated meat. And we believe that cultivated meat has great potential to meet the animal protein needs of the world in the future as the population keeps increasing and the population becomes more affluent. The demand for meat, animal protein, will increase. That's been the trend in the past, and we see that trend continuing. We want to be part of this solution where we make animal protein more accessible to larger number of people all around the world.
Great. What does food security mean to you in just one word, and why?
Oh, food security means that it is available when I want it. Yeah.
A word that makes you hungry instantly the moment you think of it.
I think it's chocolate.
All right, well, good for you. We got chocolate, so we're there in the back. Thank you very much for your time.
All right,
Thank